Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to take you on a tour of a luxurious hotel here in Kenya. So if you're new here, please subscribe, hit that like button, make sure you're leaving a comment and share the video. So I'm right next to the entrance. Here's the entrance door. You can see the security features. Here's the doorknob. So you also have a keyless entry. So the card I'm going to use when I'm entering the room. Here's a switch. So let me start here. You have a cupboard. So in the cupboard, what we have, just my bag. You have a safe over here. So you have large amounts of money or a weapon you want to store here. That's how the safe looks like. So I haven't stored anything. I have my iron box here. I just came with it. Here are my shoes. But if you need an iron box, I think they can give you one. Inside here, I just my clothing. So I'm not going to show you that. So you have another storage place over here. This is a working table where you can do your work. A very comfortable seat here. So if you sit on it, it's very comfy like that. You have this light, which is adjustable. You can light here is your laptop and do your stuff. Another awesome mirror over here. You can check out your dressing. So here you have a TV where you can watch your movies. You're actually listening to DJ Kelly new mixtape, the dancehall one. Yeah, these are just my stuff over here. You have a phone, or you can call the front desk or the reception. So if you need some services, like you want some drinks, or you don't know the Wi-Fi password, you can just reach them through that. Here you have a small kitchen. You have some drinking water, and also some beverages here. There's coffee, tea. Actually drank most of them. Sorry, the process of drinking one. So this you can just warm your water. It's a heating jug. Put it like that. Turn it on. Over here. Over here. And you can just warm your water. So you have some glasses. You had a lot of stuff over here. You had sugar, coffee. We just finished drinking them. Then surprisingly, down here, you have a fridge. This one. You have a mini fridge here. You can store your drinks, but you can see mine is empty. So make sure you're setting that super chat. Yeah, let me turn off the electricity. So to save energy. So you have a couch here where you can chill and watch the TV. Very comfortable. Here you have a ironing rack, ironing table. So yes, that's why I iron my clothing when I'm going for the meetings. Then here is a bed. The king size bed. It's a 6x6, very comfortable. It's very comfy. It is very clean. Let me show you inside. Very soft pillows. Actually, I'm just sleeping on this side of the bed. Haven't got to that side. So let me show you inside. It's very clean. White sheets, very soft. Then it is very warm. And you have a very heavy duvet. This one is very heavy. But if you get cold at night, you can just use this extra. What do you call it? They throw whatever. The extra bedding. So down here you have extra pillows you can use. And these lights look so awesome. Look at them. You have more lights over here. Others on this side. So if you turn off the main lights, these ones, let me show you something. If you turn off those lights, you can see the ambience. You can watch a movie, like just chilling in the dark. Then they have these awesome lights you see over here. You can just turn them over like that, and you have extra lighting. Look at that. Yeah, so That's how it looks. So you have some switches over here. You can charge your phone. Also on the other side. Yes. So on this side you have a huge window, but it's at night, so you might not see anything. But let me show you the outside. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Hit that like button. So after opening the main slide, you have this net to prevent the mosquito from getting inside. Let me see a bit. You can see the outside. The views, actually during the day you have very good views. Don't know if you can see anything, it's very dark. Let me close it before I get some mosquitoes inside. So let me take you to the washrooms. Before I forget, you have a bin over here. You can throw your trash. Yes. So watch till the end. I'm going to show you the place I'm at and the prices. So you open the toilet like that. So if you open this switch, you can hear a sound. That's the sound of a fan that is clearing the air inside here. So on this side you have the shower. Here's the shower over here. You have two towels over here. I've just used one. Here's a fan over here that is cleaning the air. So you have both hot and cold water. Then here you have a shower gel, conditioner and shampoo. The water is very hot actually. So on the other side we have the toilet with a bidet over here, an extra towel, toilet paper, two of them, an extra bin, and also you can come here and shave yourself. And also another mirror over here. Something else is have a blow dryer. This one. Yeah, here you have hand wash and lotion. That salt is very clean. Actually, I'm enjoying my stay over here. If you hear it, turn it off. There's no noise. The fan is out. Yeah, guys, that's it for the room. Let me show you the views. Look at that view. So, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe. Now I'm going to show you the prices of this place and where I'm at. So I'm at the place I'm at, Lake Naivasha Resort Hotel. It's at Naivasha town, near the lake. Yeah, so the services are here. They have Wi-Fi, wellness, gym and spa. Also there's hippo watching. They have a coffee shop and pool bar, gift shop, boat rides, bicycles. Yeah, a lot of services. Then let me show you the prices. So here are the prices of the rooms. So for deluxe, like the one I'm using right now, for bed and breakfast is 12,000. Very fair prices for such a place. So guys, tell me in the comment section in your country, what are the charges of the hotel, or even Kenya? How much do you get for such a place? So these are the prices. Let me show you. Yes, they also have other services like barbers and salons. So for the barber, here are the prices. For men's haircut is 1,000. For nails, you can see over here. They are fair prices considering the place you're at. For salon, here are the prices. Yes, other services, you have a gym. So for body treatment in the spa, here are the prices also. Foot massage, Swedish massage, you can see the prices over there. They also have facial and eye treatment. Yeah. Just have waxing, bikini, Brazilian, a gym and a swimming pool. Yeah guys, those are the services you get over here. So guys, please subscribe, hit that like button. I'm DJ Kellen the Antidote. See you on the next vlog.